So the first thing that you have to do is switch on the compressor. It gives the machine the air that it requires to be able to fill onto your bottles.
Okay.
Yeah, so
it's off on the wall.
Oh, it's off on the wall.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna make a sound.
Okay.
If enough, how the name are we enough for a marathon? That the might be switch off.
Aye, sounds like switch off.
Yeah.
Switch the machine on. Then the air compression over here, must get to 60, 70 or 80. This one is the emergency switch. Yeah, so ensure that the emergency switch is off. Then it starts to pour the water on the Yeah, once the emergency switch is on, it pours the water onto the tank, then it's able to fill. And then this one over here, it's where you set the bottle sizes. So anti-clockwise is to increase the bottle sizes. Clockwise, you decrease the bottle sizes. So this one over here is 1 liter, then this here is 5 liters. No, you set it. So now it's 1 liter gets 5 liters.
No, what I'm saying is, remember we see anti-clockwise, ne? You said anti-clockwise is a small bottle.
Yeah.
Ne?
Yes.
So when chicha up in Bonapi.
Oh no, yeah.
Oh,
yeah, this is the sensor there.
Oh, so leg too small.
Yeah, that one is small.
Logo big.
Yes.
Okay, Bonapi. then you press there.
No, here.
Here,
Yeah, the
you press
compressor.
up. Okay, I say on fire in burning. You press the compressor. This one.
Yeah.
You start pressing there.
Yeah, you start with the compressor, you
Yes.
switch it on,
Okay.
and then you ensure that this part over here,
It's on.
yeah, it's open, it's tilted, ne? It's aligned with
It's
this
straight.
over here. Yeah, it's straight.
Okay.
Then, yeah,
After switching there.
after
Or you
switching,
don't-
after switching it on here,
Yes.
while you're ensuring that this
You
part is
align
straight
there.
here.
Okay.
Yeah.
You come here.
Turn it on.
Then you come here.
Mm.
Then if it's off, then it will be like this. You switch it on, ne?
It will be straight as
It will be straight as well.
Okay.
Then you switch on the machine.
Or is a straight line? Was it like that?
Yeah.
Eh,
Then you go to the emergency switch over there.
this one
Yeah.
is for what one?
This one is the emergency switch is for maybe if maybe
Something goes wrong.
something goes wrong or you're feeling the wrong bottle sizes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You
Let me see.
quickly
Then
go there.
you quickly go here.
Switch off.
Yeah, you switch it off like then it's off.
Oh, okay.
Ne?
Mm.
Hold on, more side of something. Yeah, we'll just yeah, it's this one. Yeah, we'll tie it up properly just now.
Okay.
Yeah, and then over here